बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम जी। मैं आपकी एक और नई वीडियो के साथ आपकी खिदमत में हाजिर हूँ। इस वीडियो में जो जॉब्स शेयर करूँगी वो जॉब्स आई थी डॉन संडे मार्च 10 2024 के अखबार में। पोजीशन ओपन कराची, अकाउंट्स की जॉब है। रिक्वायर्ड क्वालिफाइड इंटरनल ऑडिटर। द कैंडिडेट मस्ट बी मिनिमम क्वालिफाइड एंड मस्ट हैव एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ 5 years in internal audit department for financial and accounts audit etc. The candidate having knowledge of ERP, Excel and relevant experience in textile, knitting, weaving and garments will be preferred. Send CV at internal.auditor2023@gmail.com. Urgent required accountant qualification BCom, experience 5 years. Contact 0336 300 2083 0336 300 2083। एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन की जॉब है। वेल रेप्यूटेड कोरंगी बेस्ड गारमेंट मैन्युफैक्चरिंग फैक्ट्री इनवाइट्स एप्लीकेशन ऑफ एडमिन एंड HR मैनेजर। He will be responsible for supporting the overall admin/HR functions. Should be self-motivated and well versed the HR function, payroll policies and industry practices with successful track record including electrical maintenance, HSE, security and transportation. The key function of this position is to oversee the proper implementation of the internal standard operating procedures and systems. The candidate should have commerce graduate with at least 5 to 10 years of relevant experience in a similar post. The age of the candidate should be 35 to 40 years, Male preferred. Candidate fulfilling the above criteria may please send their updated CV with recent photo at hrdept583@gmail.com। डिपार्टमेंट की शॉर्ट फॉर्म कंप्यूटर्स की जॉब है। कंप्यूटर ऑपरेटर मेल फॉर एडवोकेट ऑफिस एट क्लिफ्टन बीकॉम फॉर मेकिंग रेंट अग्रीमेंट ETC। सैलरी ₹50,000। डेस्कन कंस्ट्रक्शन को प्राइवेट PVT लिमिटेड। ईमेल ali@11737@gmail.com। फ़ोन नंबर 0300 2160684 0300 2160684। IT export expert required a qualified and experienced person in the field of IT export required at Karachi. Desirous persons may apply at samkashir@yahoo.co.uk. Please forward your CV and minimum acceptable pay. Need experienced staff for IT working. Number 1 female receptionist. Number 2 bidder for international site. Number 3 marketing manager for commission based. WhatsApp 0313 0020058 0313 0020058। जनरल की जॉब है। लीडिंग नेट एंड वुवन गारमेंट एक्सपोर्ट फैक्ट्री लोकेटेड इन कोरंगी is looking to hire a senior merchandiser. Should be able to communicate with concern directly and manage accessories and trim procurements as per timelines. Will be responsible for complete executions of order. Must have good communication and computer skill CRP software. Graduate at least 5 years experience in garment industry in similar post. Age between 35 to 45, Male preferred. Candidate fulfilling the above criteria may please send their updated CV with recent photo at merchandisingdept777@gmail.com. merchandisingdept777@gmail.com. Advertising media and digital agency looking for client service officers. Apply email worldadvertising.group@gmail.com. Location Bath Island/Clifton. Agri graduate or agri business developer required for startup initiative. Apply interact@parksaf.com. interact@parksaf.com. Export oriented textile company located in site required export documentation officer having 5 years experience of export documentation with accounts experience of working on ERP software. Qualification BCom/BPA/MPA. Send your CV at textile recruitment102@gmail.com. Home textile merchandiser required. Apply interact@parksaf.com. Import/export executive, a leading oil and gas trading House requires individuals to assist with the import/export documentation and day-to-day operations. Fresh graduates from LUMS and IBA are encouraged to apply. Any prior experience in the same capacity will be an added advantage. Successful candidate will be required to come for a trial period. Please apply with CV references and a recent passport size picture to res.sfghr@gmail.com. International call center located on Main Charai Faisal requires voice for night shift and part-time workers. Basic English is mandatory. Age limit 32 years. 0333328977. 0333328977. Email expertsolution786@gmail.com. expertsolution786@gmail.com. Lakhani Builders requires following experienced staff: 1 sales executive, 2 social media manager, 3 computer operator, 4 administrator. Willing candidates email cvbuilders.hrd@gmail.com. hrd@gmail.com. 0309 888 8272. 0309 888 8272. Office assistant required, preferably living near DHA. Apply. interact@parksaf.com. interact@parksaf.com. Required male assistant accountant, data entry with salesman, male telephone operator, Amagina Road, President preferred. 0334 53 44453. 0334 53 44453. Social media content developer required. Apply. interact@parksaf.com. Tech.sa a leading textile export based company requires passionate and qualified e-commerce executive/manager/MTO to manage and optimize our e-commerce setup, and Amazon store. Must be qualified to manage product research, product sales, content, SEO and customer support. Must have organizational and communication abilities and passion for e-commerce. Attractive salary and incentives. Send CV on email and WhatsApp. Talent Hunt 525@gmail.com. Talent Hunt 525@gmail.com. Required lady office assistant for office located at Charai Faisal, preferably commerce graduate with command on MS Office and minimum 3 years experience. Interested candidates may send their detailed CV with current photograph at hr@saassociates.com.pk. hr@saassociates.com.pk. Seeking a fried chicken expert for a prestigious restaurant. The ideal candidate should possess experience with international franchises or multi-unit restaurant chains, demonstrating the ability to elevate the brand image through innovative concepts. Send CVs with expected salary at parkpaper@gmail.com. parkpaper@gmail.com. मैनेजमेंट की जॉब है. रिनाउंड सिक्योरिटी कंपनी हैविंग इट्स ऑपरेशंस थ्रू आउट पाकिस्तान इज लुकिंग फॉर मैनेजर/AM हैविंग good PR and contacts. We are an equal opportunity employer and preference will be given to army background. Personal WhatsApp your CV 0312 8258 444. 0312 8258 444 by 15 March 2024. Assistant manager/manager marketing required for a well-reputed textile mill. Must have adequate experience. Send CV at textile.export.2023@gmail.com. IT firm requires project manager. Suitably qualified candidates with relevant experience. Send CV at hr@esn.com.pk with expected salary. Project in charge/project manager. Educational qualification BSc/BTech Civil. Age 30 to 45 years. Experience 10 to 15 years. Computers. Must know MS Excel. Prerequisite: should have worked in high-rise building project in Karachi. Please send your resume CVs at swiftcare.pk. Resume CVs at swiftcare.pk. WhatsApp 0345 822 6139. 03458226 Recruitment manager required for reputed textile mill must have 5 years experience in recruitment. Send CV at talenthunt525@gmail.com. talenthunt525@gmail.com. Tax consultancy firm looking for compliance manager. Minimum qualification CA/LLB with relevant experience. Send CV at hr@asn.com.bk with expected salary. Marketing specialist required. Focus on sports promotion events. Apply interact at parksaf.com. Apply interact at parksaf.com. A textile processing mill manufacturing dyed and printed woven fabrics for garments required. Marketing assistant/merchandiser for export and local sales and product development. Candidate should be graduate with minimum 3 years experienced. Send your CV at textilerecruitment102@gmail.com. textilerecruitment102@gmail.com. मेडिकल की जॉब है. डॉक्टर तौसीफ अमीन्स मेडिकल कोर्स फॉर USMLE HAAD DHA MOH MCCEE AMC FCPS MRCP 032282271518 032282271518. Pharmaceutical company experienced/unexperienced male/female. Minimum graduate/BSc. Email pharmajob2024@gmail.com. pharmajob2024@gmail.com. Required accountant with 3 to 5 years of relevant experience. Email cvhopekarachi@gmo@gmail.com. Mention position in the subject line. Contact 0213223930 0213223930. एक और PTCL नंबर है 021322438889 021322438889. Required female RMO with experience in gynecology for a charitable hospital in Guru Mandar. Email cvhopekarachi@gmo@gmail.com. hopekarachi@gmo@gmail.com. Contact 0213225431 0213225431. एक और PTCL नंबर है 021322455531 0213224531. Required registered nurses RN for hospital management and medical supervision. Well versed, competent, experienced with good communication skills and presentable personality is prerequisite. Lucrative salary, fringe benefits. Email CV with personal statement Dr. Masood Makhdoom@gmail.com. Dr. Masood Makhdoom@gmail.com. Secretarial की जॉब है. For a joint venture company need secretary to company secretary ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ है preferably female who can ensure adherence to SECP filing requirements. Bachelor/masters preferably a law degree. Company secretarial qualifications will be an added advantage. Work experience 3 to 4 years of relevant experience. Job location DHA Karachi. How to apply? Applications with a covering letter and detailed CV should be sent via email salmans987651@gmail.com. latest by March 15, 2024. Teachers की जॉब है. A reputed school located in Block N, North Nazimabad. Academic coordinator, Montessori teacher and primary teacher required. Email staffschool@gmail.com. staffschool@gmail.com. A well-renowned school of FB area urgently requires coordinator. Montessori trained teacher, primary for English, computer, math, science, secondary for computer. Email info.rs1617@gmail.com. info.rs1617@gmail.com. सेल नंबर है 030622090802 030622090802. Required qualified and experienced teachers for primary and secondary classes for English, Maths, Urdu, Computers, Physics, Islamia, Science, Chemistry, Social Studies, Biology, Sindhi and Drawing. Metropolis Academy ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ है गुलबर्ग कैंपस. C for Cat 49 Block 17 गुलबर्ग FB एरिया opposite अजीज़ा हुसैनी हॉस्पिटल. Walk-in interview timings 8 a.m. to 12 noon. Phone calls and WhatsApp 0300 8285 807 0300 8285 807। एक और मोबाइल नंबर है 0300 022 1209 0300 022 1209। एक और मोबाइल नंबर है 0301 021 5343 0301 021 5343। पोजीशन साउथ कराची जनरल सीनियर लेवल एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव एंड मैनेजमेंट सर्विसेज ऑन फुल टाइम / पार्ट टाइम / वीकेंड बेसिस अवेलेबल फ्रॉम सीनियर रिटायर्ड ऑफिसर 52 years ex armed forces plus 25 years experienced, excellent communication, IT skills and much more. Contact at 0300 283 1044 0300 283 1044 between 9 AM to 5 PM। तो जी ये तो थी मेरी आज की वीडियो। अगर आप लोगों को मेरी वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो मेरी वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा। इस वीडियो के लिए इतना ही। अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।